cutting or engraving glasses or bottles or something like that. It doesn't have to be heavy-duty manufacturing. Yes, we have the full manufacturing capability. We have the lathes, the milling machines, the welders, but a lot of the equipment we have could be used on a fairly small scale to make individual, very customized products, okay? We're a nonprofit. We work on a membership basis. Our members pay a very low monthly fee, and that gives them 24/7 access to all of the equipment in our space whenever they want to use it, okay? We also have a classroom facility, which can be used as a workshop room. If you want to do, like, again, you know, a sign painting party or something like that. There's lots of different avenues where you can start a business and make something and sell it. Right now, we have a bunch of devices up here, a lot of samples of things that we can do with laser cutting, laser engraving. We have a barber appliance up here that we've been working on with one of our members. Check it out, it's very, very unique. The whole thing was made at Nesset, okay? Everything from the metal work to the powder coating to the electrical, the whole thing. What else do we got there? A lot of laser cut devices, 3D printing. Basically anything you want to build, we have the facilities to make it. So you really should check us out. Our open house nights are on Friday evenings. If you want to come down and just visit and see what kind of equipment we have. If you've got a project idea, we'd love to talk to you about it. Again, we're a nonprofit, so there's no charge for this. And thanks for coming this evening.
Actually, Gary's also being a little bit modest because we have actually done this before, work with him, and we've hooked up, you might mention the Art Collect connection for the adaption of products for the handicapped. And through ARC, they hooked it up with Nesset, and Nesset assisted them in developing these products for the disabled. You think about it, if you've got a product as opposed to a service that you're going to be performing, and you want to create a prototype, I mean, it's almost perfect. And when we did this in Meriden, way before Hartford and the rest of the crowd caught on. So as you can tell, it's many thumbs up for our friends at Nesset. Okay, and okay, I'll turn it now back to Devin here, and we'll wrap this up.
Thank you, Tom, and thank you all the partners who came here tonight. We really appreciate it. And you know, I think one of the things to think about here is, you know, being an entrepreneur is trying to solve a problem a lot of the time, problems that someone else has, or maybe a problem that you have. And one of the things to think about tonight really is to ask questions. I think that's how we solve problems, is by asking multiple questions. And I advise you to do that tonight as these partners are in the room. It's your chance to have a face-to-face to ask questions. You know, where is there that assistance? Where's possibly that grant funding? Where is that technical assistance? And when they say technical assistance, they mean maybe you need help with writing, not writing certain things, but maybe you need help with, you know, I'm trying to think of the best way to describe it, but even financial performance or figuring that kind of stuff out. That's the kind of technical assistance that you may not have the resources or have learned that, but they've been through this rigmarole kind of before. And with that, I'm going to kind of close our conversation for tonight. I'm going to move to the next slide. And here we have a list of all the different agencies that are here tonight, their information, their websites. So do take a photo of this with your phone. You don't have to do it right now, but when you have a chance. As I mentioned, the co-working space that we talked about, there's a website called meridencoworking.com. There's a form to fill out. We're kind of, we're looking for input. If you go to that website, also the QR code is there, and your voice matters. And with that, I want to thank you very much for coming out tonight, and enjoy the evening. Thank you very much.
Please go around. around and check out our tables here. Enjoy yourselves.